Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2020, presented by AdSync Advertising Dubai in association with SHK Ventures and Opelox Media and Marketing, powered by CNN News 18. Ladies and gentlemen, to add that extra dash of glam to the big evening tonight, we have amidst us an absolute superstar. He is one person who is among the first actors to have made a successful transition from Bollywood to Hollywood and international cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming the super talented Gulshan Grover. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We also have with us Ms. Roshni Shuran, the Times Most Desirable Woman of 2018. Could we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, after a record-breaking number of nominations and an extremely tough judging process, we are delighted to announce the winners of the 3rd Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the renowned Bollywood actor, Mr. Gulshan Grover, along with Mr. Pradeep Pinto, CEO AdSync Advertising, to come on to the dais to present the awards. A generous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The first award this evening is the Ultra Luxury Lifestyle Project of the Year, which is the Leela Sky Villas, Naveen Minar, New Delhi by Raheja Developers Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ms. Dimple Bharadwaj, Head of Marketing and Communication, Raheja Developers, as she receives the award.
I'm honored to have received this awards on behalf of Raheja Developers, and the project is the Leela Sky Villas, which is going to be the tallest tower of Delhi. And as the name suggests, this is the first branded residences that we have with the Leela group of hotels, where all the services will be provided by them. It is basically a mixed-use development where we have a mall too adjacent to it. And awards like these are actually a recognition to the efforts and innovation that we inculcate in our projects, which sets them stand a class apart. Thank you so much.
Our next award is for Business Excellence in Real Estate, and the award goes to L&T Realty. To receive the award, we have right here with us Mr. Sanjay Mehrotra, National Head Sales, Marketing and CRM, as well as Mr. Amitabh Dhawan, Head of Sales, Cluster Mumbai.
I think I must thank the organizers to recognize that L&T is one of the companies who has excelled in the business. Yes, it's a company which is almost about now 100 years old, and we very strongly believe that this excellence is outcome of the ethics and the confidence this company enjoys among the customers which are across the country and across the globe. I think I must thank Pinto for recognizing us for this award, and thank you very much for the audience here. Thank you very much.
Next, we have the award for the Luxury Lifestyle Residences of the Year, and the award goes to Raisakaran. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Pulin Bole, the Director, and Ms. Kamila Motiwala, Head Sales, as they come forward to receive the award.
Thank you so much for the appreciation of our efforts, and we're very glad to be here. Thank you so much, CNN News, for this opportunity to be here, and enjoy your evening, you guys. Thank you very much.
Our next category is the Most Enterprising CEO of the Year, and the award goes to Mr. Sachin Bhandari, Chief Executive Officer, VTP Realty. Receiving the award on his behalf is Ms. Kajal Shah, Marketing Head, VTP Realty.
Good evening, everybody. I am taking this honor on behalf of the CEO, Mr. Sachin Bhandari, and I'm sure he would have loved to say thank you to everybody, and let's have a great evening.
Next on the list is for the Developer of the Year, Residential Pune, and the award goes to Kolte Patil Developers Limited. To receive the award, please welcome on stage Mr. Balu Nair, DGM Sales, Kolte Patil Developers Private Limited.
It's been an honor to get this kind of award in this beautiful moment. So this is basically for all real estate developers to understand we are getting this kind of moment to enjoy and get this kind of awards from this kind of celebrities. So this is a moment, guys. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Moving on, we have the iconic project of the year, and the award goes to Empire Centrum, Ambernath. Receiving the award are Mr. Anup Bhargava, CEO and Director, and Mr. Jasmeet Singh Suri, Head Sales Marketing and CRM of Empire Centrum.
Thank you very much, AdSyncs, for recognizing our efforts. Actually, our Empire Centrum in Ambernath is an iconic project, mainly because of the legacy of Empire Group for last 116 years. It's the first project to provide three-tier security and walk-to-work concept. That means people can stay there and work there only. So you can save time in traveling. Thank you so much.
Before we move on, I would like to invite Ms. Roshni as well to accompany Mr. Gulshan and Mr. Pradeep on stage. A huge round of applause for Ms. Roshni. Well, up next is the most trusted brand, Affordable Luxury, and the award goes to Paradigm Group. I call upon Mr. Parth Mehta, founder and managing director, Paradigm Group, to kindly come forward to receive the award. Next on the list is the luxury project of the year that goes to The Reserve by Runwal Developers Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Ms. Pallavi Matkari, the Chief Architect at Runwal Group.
Thank you for this recognition for the project. It's a project which is a standalone tower in the middle of Worli. It has a lot of amenities and very few residences which are kind of standing apart because of the way the design is functioning. Thank you again for the honor. Thank you.
Up next is the Developer of the Year Residential, and the award goes to Dosti Realty. To receive the award, I call upon the directors of Dosti Realty, Mr. Anuj Goradia and Mrs. Shraddha Goradia, as well as Mr. Nitin Nagpal, Director Sales and Marketing.
I've been hearing a lot of negative news about real estate, but I would want to say one thing that, be it RERA, be it the budget, we all have to live with that, and we have to think how positively we sell in the market. And there is still scope, and there are good developer friends who are still selling more than 1,000 flats and 1,400 flats in few weeks. I'm sure we all sitting here are aware about it. I think let's think positive and let's do our best to achieve our targets. Thanks.
The next award is for the Young Achiever of the Year, and the winner is Mr. Mukka Obul Reddy, Chairman and Managing Director, Honey Group.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. After demonetization, we are rolling the company to give an additional 425 members employees, and we expand additional 15 branches. And this year also we are planning to expand one more 16 branches. So thank you so much.
Next we have the award for the Property Consultant of the Year Commercial, and this award goes to CBRE South Asia Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Nikhil Bhatia, MD Capital Markets, Residential Services and Head Western Region Operations of CBRE Private Limited, as he receives the award. The next category is the Luxury Township of the Year that goes to Well-Wisher Group.
On behalf of Well-Wisher Group, I would like to thank CNN for such a wonderful platform. Thank you once again.
Moving on, we have the Real Estate Company of the Year, Mumbai, and the award goes to B. Khandari Properties. Well, our next award is for the Transparent Builder of the Year in the first Smart City of India, Dholera, and the award goes to J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited. We have right here with us Mr. Jignesh Joshi, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Hiren Vyas and Mr. Jitendra Parmar, the Director.
It's been a great privilege to have an award from Mr. Gulshan Grover. And on behalf of my company, I would like to invite you all and be a partner in development of Dholera, first smart city of India in Gujarat.
The next special award we have is the Woman Super Achiever, and it gives me immense joy to call upon Ms. Renu Singh, Senior Vice President, Raheja Developers Limited. Next, we have the award for the Best BPO Partner in Real Estate, and the award goes to Platinum 1. May I request Mr. Amay Saxena, Managing Director, to kindly come forward to receive the award. Continuing with the awards, we have the Real Estate Project of the Year, Best Industrial Park, that goes to Bhumi World. I call upon Mr. Prakash Patel, Managing Director, Bhumi World, to receive the award.
Thank you, organizers. First, to recognize the industrial sector in real estate. First time I have come to get the award for in a real estate sector. So we are into industrial park developer. We already developed 1,400 factories in one location, which is 125 acres in Bhiwandi. So we are delivering every year 200 factories right now. So we have a global 350 factories in our industrial park, and we have created 30,000 jobs in 7 years. So we have all skill centers in the industrial park only, and we make rural, lots of people around our industrial park, make them job there in our industrial park. Thank you very much.
Next is the Green Project of the Year, and the award goes to Raheja Vanya, Gurugram, by Raheja Developers Limited. The next category is the Developer of the Year, Townships, and this is awarded to Raj Darbar Spaces. May I please request Mr. Chaitanya Garg, Director, Raj Darbar Realty Private Limited, to join us on stage to receive the award.
I would like to thank CNN News 18, our esteemed guests, for giving us this award. And I would like to thank our customers and clients for putting the trust in our company. It's been a very tough year for real estate, but I think if we can build the trust among the customers, we will be able to achieve more and more in this year alone.